If you're anything like me, you may be having an issue where your faces are all separating in the viewport in Blender. And maybe this happened to you when you applied your material. Like me, for example, I just bought this new Play-Doh 4.0 shader, and I was really excited for it. And when I drag and drop it onto my object, it came out like this. So it got me a little concerned, but I'm just gonna give you an example. So I have the sphere here. I'm gonna grab that Play-Doh and drop, and then it looks like that. Turns out this is a common issue if you have a displacement map on your object, and this material has a displacement map. And the Blender automatic setting is shade flat. So what I needed to do is change it to shade smooth. So it's just a matter of changing how Blender visualizes things. So I'm going to select my object, right click, and then go to the first option called shade smooth and select that. And that is it. Now if I render it out, it'll look exactly like it should. Everything's connected. And just to compare, if it's shaded flat and I render it out, it's not. So we definitely need to change that setting, and after you do that, you should be good to go. If you happen to have bought Play-Doh 4.0 and you have tips and tricks, please leave them below in the comments, because I am really new to this and I'm really enjoying playing around with it and learning all the new stuff it can do. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video.